On a 2023 Nissan Altima like this one I'm sitting in, if no air is coming out of your vents for either the heat or the air conditioning, just no matter what setting, nothing comes out, the most likely culprit is that the car has lost its blower motor. In most cars, the blower motor is stored beneath the glove compartment. And what that is, it's an electrical motor that generates airflow for the car's HVAC to push it out. So how does that help you? If that's burnt out, the most likely culprit for that is simply that the fuse for it has gone. There's a whole electrical system beneath the dashboard that goes to that blower motor to power it. Usually the blower motor itself is not necessarily broken, it's often the fuse. Come down here to your fuse panel, pull that off, and you can see from this chart that there is a 30A fuse for the blower motor. And the chart will show you where it is. So we're going to go to the middle column from the bottom up, go up 3 rows. And again, it's that 30A. But it looks like it goes like this. So find that and pull that out. And if you replace that fuse and the AC or the heat comes back on, you know that that's what the problem was, and you can move forward with your life in comfort. I'm going to put an affiliate link to buy new fuses. And if you have any questions, anything at all about this car, put it in the comments.